Children, question number 6 is a wire is bent in the form of a square of area 1936 centimeter square. If the same wire is bent to form a circle, find the radius of the circle and the area enclosed by the circle. So here first step is to find the radius of the circle. From where will you start? You are given that the circumference of the circle equals to the perimeter of square as the wire is bent into a circle. So let's start. Let me explain with the help of shape. Children, according to question, you are given the area of the square is 1936 centimeter square, and this square shape is then again reformed into a circle. So in that case, always when one shape is converted to the other shape, what is same? Perimeter. So perimeter of the square in this case equals to the circumference. But to find perimeter, what is the formula of perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is 4 into A. A means one side. So first step is to find one side of a square with the help of given area. So let's try to calculate first each side of this square, as area of square equals to A into A. So let's take this area and try to find its all prime factors. So when you find all its prime factor, 1936 divide by 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16 again by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16, 4 again by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 again by 2, 2 1 ja 2 ja 1 ja. This will go how many times? 11 and 11. So change them into pair of 2 into 2 into 11 into again 2 into 2 into 11. I have written them as a set of two numbers of same values. Now 22 into 11 is 44 into 44. So when you see, if you compare, 1936 is perfect square of which number? 44. So here we can change it as 44 into 44 centimeter square. So when you compare, each side equals to how many centimeter? 44 centimeter. So from here we'll obtain each side. Each side is 44 centimeter. So what is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter equals to 4 into A. So let's calculate perimeter. 4 into A. It is 4 into 44, which is equal to 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, 176 centimeter. Hence the perimeter is 176 centimeter. Same is the circumference of this circle. So we can replace perimeter by the circumference of the circle. The formula of circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi r equals to 176 centimeter. Clear, children? As the perimeter of square equals to the circumference of the circle, so we can say circumference equals to 2 pi r, which is equal to the perimeter of square, that is 176. From here we can easily obtain the radius. So what is the radius? Radius equals to 176 by 2 pi. Substitute the value. 176 by 2 into pi means 22 by 7. When you divide by 22 by 7, the next step is multiply by its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 22 by 7? 7 by 22. Now simplify. It will go how many times? 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 ja 16. When you cancel them by 22, it will go 4 times. So 4 into 7 is 28 centimeter. Children, hence the radius of the circle is 28 centimeter. Now what is the formula of area? Area enclosed. Now you are going to find this region which is enclosed by this circumference, this area of the circle. Formula of area of circle is pi r square. Put the value here. Pi means 22 by 7 into r. What is r? 28. Square means 28 into 28. Simplify. 4 times Find the product is equal to 2464 centimeter square. Hence, the radius is 28 centimeter and the area is 2464 centimeter square respectively. Children, I'll keep question number 7 as homework sum, okay? Now let's move to question number 8. First part. A circular pond of diameter 28 meter is surrounded by a path 7 meter wide. Find the area of the path. So this question is based on area of ring, which is explained to you all, okay? So let's try to understand with the help of figure. Children, look at the figure. Here you are given, this is a pond of diameter 28 meter. This pond is of diameter 28 meter. So if diameter is 28 meter, can you find the radius? Radius is half of diameter, that is 28 divided by 2 equals to 14 meter. It means this diameter, the radius of the pond is 14 meter. Next part of the question is, this pond is surrounded by a path of 7 meter. It means this thickness is how much? 7 meter. So if I ask you what is the radius of outer circle, it will be 14 meter plus 7, that is 21. So this radius capital R, which is the outer radius, equals to 21 meter. How? 14 plus 7. And the inner radius, that is small r, is 14 meter. Now let's apply the formula to get the area of the path. Area of the path means this. You are going to calculate this region. This is the area of the path. Means area of path is the area of the ring. What is the formula of area of ring? You are explaining. The area of the ring is, here it is path, so we'll write here area of path. Area of path. Write the formula, pi r minus small r into r plus small r, and substitute the value. What is pi here? 22 by 7 into r minus r. Capital R is 21. The outer radius is 21 minus the inner radius is 14 into r plus r, means 21 plus 14. Let's try to solve. 22 by 7 into 21 minus 14 is 7 into 21 plus 14 is 35. Let's simplify. 7 and 7 cancel out. So 22 into 35. Let's find the product. 35 into 22. 2 into 5, 10. 2 3 is 6, 7. Again 70 equals to 770. Hence the area of the path is 770 meter square. This is how we can calculate the area of the path. This is question number 8, first part. Hence the required area of the path is 770 meter square. Children, let's move to question number 9. All the sums are unique in itself, okay? So practice each type of sums. Question number 9 is, the area of the ring between the two concentric circle is 3168 centimeter square. Find the radii of the two circles, means capital R and small r, when their sum is 42 centimeter. First part. The second part is when their difference is 28 centimeter. So let's try to understand each one by one. Question 9. Children, you are given the area of the ring, means this area. Here the capital R is the outer radius and the small r is the inner radius. You are provided area of this region is 3168 centimeter square. Sum of the radius is 42 centimeter. Find the two radii. So let's proceed. What is the formula of area of ring, children? Pi into sum of the radii into difference of the radii. And this is equal to how much? 3168 centimeter square. Clear? You are given the area of the ring and the formula of area of ring is pi into sum of radii into difference of the radii. Now let us try to find the difference of the radii. How will you calculate difference of the radii? Let's put pi. Here pi into sum of radii is 42 centimeter into the difference of radii is r minus small r equals to 3168. Transpose these two to the other hand. It means r minus small r equals to 3168 divided by 42 pi. So students, when you substitute the value of pi, it becomes 3168 upon 42 into the reciprocal of 22 by 7, that is 7 by 22. Let's try to simplify. Let us cancel these two by 7. 7 1 ja 7 6 times. Now divide this by 6. 5 ja 30. 6 2 ja 12 and 6 8 ja 48. Now divide these 2 by 2. 2 how many times? 11 times. It will go how many times? 2 6 4. Now divide again by 11. 11 1 ja 11 2 ja 22 and 11 4 ja 44. So hence the difference of the radii is 24 centimeter. And what is the sum of the radii given? R plus R equals to 42. Let's try to add the two equation. When you add R plus R equals to 2R minus R and plus R are cancel out equals to 66. Hence capital R equals to 66 divided by this 2 equals to 33 centimeter. Hence children, the outer radius is 33 centimeter. Now let's try to find inner radius, that is small r, that is equal to 42 minus capital R. Put the value 42 minus 33 equals to 9 centimeter. This is how we can easily calculate the two radii. The outer radius is 33 centimeter and the inner radius is 9 centimeter. Clear? In question number 9, second part, area is same, that is 3168 centimeter square. The difference of the two radii is 28 centimeter. Find the two radii, means outer radii and inner radii. So how will you start? The same method. Area of the ring. Children, what is the formula of area of ring? Area of ring is pi into sum of the radii into difference of the radii, and it's equal to how many centimeter square? 3168 centimeter square. So let's put the value, substitute the value here, 3168. Now what is the difference of the two radii? 28. Put the value here. So it implies pi into r plus r into 28 equals to 3168. Transpose these two to the other hand to get the sum of the radii. So sum of radii equals to 3168 upon 28 pi. Clear children? When you transpose these two, because they are connected with multiplication, so when you transpose, you divide. Now let's substitute the value of pi. As always I say 3168 upon 28 into reciprocal of pi. Pi is 22 by 7, so its reciprocal is 7 by 22. Now let's try to simplify. Simplify these two by 7. 7 1 ja 7 4 times. Now simplify by 4. 4 7 ja 28. 3 here, 3 and 6 36, 4 9 ja 36 and 4 2 ja 8. So it will go how many times? 792 times. Now again simplify these 2 by 2. 2 11 times. It will go 2 3 ja 6, 2 9 ja 18 and 6. These two can be cancelled by 11. 11 1 ja 11, 11 3 ja 33 and 11 6 ja 66. So 36. So what is the sum of the radii? R plus R equals to 36 centimeter. And what is given to you? The difference of the two radii is R minus R equals to 28 centimeter. Let us add the two equation. When you add R plus R equals to 2R and plus R minus R cancel out. So equals to 6 plus 8 14, 1 carry 64. Hence capital R equals to 64 by 2. That is outer radius equals to, simplify, 2 3 is 6 and 2 32 centimeter. How will you obtain the next? The sum of the two radius is 36. So r plus r equals to 36 centimeter. Therefore, small r equals to 36 minus capital R. Substitute the value here. It is 36 is outer radius, which is already calculated 32. So 36 minus 32 equals to 4 centimeter. Hence, the outer radius is 32 centimeter and the inner radius is 4 centimeter. Children, question number 10 is the last question of this exercise, as 11 and 12 are excluded from the exercise. Clear, children? And hope you all have done these sums with me as classwork. So let's move to question 10. How many plants can be planted in a circular garden of circumference 26.40 meter if a space of 600 centimeter square is to be allowed for each plant? 600 centimeter square means this is the area covered by each plant, and you have to find the number of plants. So how will you find the number of plants? For that you need the area covered by the circle. So let's try to find area of the circle. So how will you proceed? From the circumference, first we'll calculate the radius of the circle, then area, and then we'll reach to the next step. What is the circumference of the circle? 26.40 meter. But the area covered is in centimeter square. So let's try to find the circumference in centimeter. So when you multiply this by 100, the circumference is 2640 centimeter. What is the formula of circumference, children? The formula of circumference is 2 pi r, that is equal to the given circumference, that is 2640 centimeter. From here we can easily calculate the radius of the circle. So radius of the circle is 2640 divided by 2 pi. Substitute the value of pi, it becomes 2640 upon 2 into the reciprocal of 22 by 7, that is 7 by 22. Let's simplify, cancel by 2, 2 1 ja, 3 ja, 6, 2 ja 4, 0. Cancel these 2 by 2, it will go 11 times, this will go to 6 ja 12, 6 ja 12 and 0. So again cancel these 2 by 11, 11 1 ja 11, 60 times. So 60 into 7, the radius of the circle is 60 into 7 is 420 centimeter. This is how we easily calculate the radius of the circle. Once you get the radius of the circle, very easily we can find the area of the circle. So let's find the area of the circle. Formula of area of circle is pi r square. Substitute the value. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 420, as it is r square. So again multiply 420 and the area is in centimeter square. Any doubt? Clear, children? Now simplify 760 times. Multiply these all to get the area of the circle. So area equals to 554,400 centimeter square. This is the area of the circular garden. Now the question is find the number of plants. So how will you find the number of plants, children? Number of plants, the formula is area of the bigger region divided by the area of each plant. What is the bigger area? Area of the circular garden. This is the area of the circular garden. So let's substitute the value. 554,400 centimeter square upon area of each plant. What is the area of each plant? 600 centimeter square. So divide by 600 centimeter square. Centimeter cancel. 0 and 0 are cancelled. When you divide this, you will get 924 plants. So the number of plants equals to 924. Clear, children? Hence we reach to the conclusion. How many plants can be planted? 924 plants can be planted in the garden. With this, this exercise ends. So complete your work neatly. Now note down your homework sums, children. Children, the homework sums are exercise 1E, question 1, second and third part, question 2 first, question number 3 first, question number 7 and question number 8 second part. Do all these sums in which copy? Classwork copy. Clear? Children, hope you all enjoyed this lecture. So with this, I conclude. Take care, stay blessed. Thank you.